Good morning, students. So yesterday we are discussing about the area of triangle using the determinants as well as minor and cofactor of an element as well as adjoint of a square matrix. So by using the definition of minor and cofactor of an element and adjoint of a square matrix to solve some simple problems. Now here first problem, find the minors and cofactors of the elements of the following determinants. Now first one is, it is 2 cross 2 determinant, that is first row 1 minus 2, second row 4 3. To find the minor and cofactors. Now here, now there are 4 elements, so that there are 4 minors as well as 4 cofactors. Now here first minor M11 or A11 is equal to, that 11 indicate what? By deleting first row first column. First row first column minor of an element is 3. Next M12. By deleting first row second column. First row second column minor of an element is 4. Next first row over, take second row M21. By deleting second row first column minus 2. Then M22. By deleting second row second column 1. These are the minors. And cofactors. C11. 1 plus 1 2. 2 is even number, that is positive sign. Cofactor solve ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ sign observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Minor ದಲ್ಲಿ sign ಏನು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, only cofactors. C11 is equal to plus M11. M11 value 3. Next C12 minus, because 1 plus 2 3. 3 is odd number, that is negative sign. So C12 is minus M12. M12 value 4. Next second row C21. Again 2 plus 1 3. 3 is odd number, minus sign. C21 is equal to M21. M21 value minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2. So cofactor is plus 2. Then C22. 2 plus 2 4. 4 is even number, positive sign. C22 is equal to M22, that is 1. These are the cofactors. Those are the minors. Okay. Similarly, second problem. Problem number 2. Again it is 2 cross 2 determinant. 2 minus 4 0 3. Now first to find the minor. M11. Deleting first row first column, the element is 3. Next M12. Deleting first row second column. First row second column, minor of an element is 0. First row over, take second row. M21. Deleting second row first column, that is minus 4. M22. Deleting second row second column 2. These are the minors and cofactors. C11. 1 plus 1 2. 2 is even number, positive sign. C11 is equal to M11, that is 3. C12 is equal to, ive values barutte. 1 plus 2 3. 3 is odd number, minus. M12 value 0. Then C21. 2 plus 1 3. 3 is odd number, minus sign. M21 value minus 4, that is minus into minus plus 4. C22 plus, deleting second row second column, second row second column, that is 2. These are the cofactors. Similarly, third problem. Again it is 2 cross 2 determinant. First row AC, second row BD. Then to find the minor. M11. Deleting first row first column D. M12. Deleting first row second column B. M21. Deleting second row first column C. M22. Deleting second row second column A. And cofactors. C11 plus, because 1 plus 1 2. 2 is even number, positive sign. Deleting first row first column, that same value D. C12 minus, because 1 plus 2 3. 3 is odd number, minus sign. M12 value B. C21 again minus sign, because 2 plus 1 3. 3 is odd number, minus sign. M21 value C. then C22 plus, deleting second row second column, element is A. These are the cofactors. Whereas fourth problem, it is 3 cross 3 determinant. Totally how many elements here in 3 cross 3 determinant? 9 elements. So to find 9 minors as well as 9 cofactors. Now to find one by one minor, M11. M11 means by deleting first row first column. First row first column tagaದ್ರೆ 4 numbers, 5 minus 1, 1, 2. The difference of the cross multiply 10, difference minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, minus into minus plus 1, that is 11. Next, M12 is equal to, deleting first row second column, 3 minus 1, 0, 2. Now expand it, 3 2s are 6, difference minus 0 into minus 1, 0, that is 6. Next, M13, deleting first row, third column, 4 numbers, 3, 5, 0, 1. The difference of the cross multiply, 3 minus 0 into 5, 0, that is 3. First row over, take second row, M21, deleting second row, first column, 0, 4, 1, 2. Second row, first column. The difference of the cross multiply, 0 into 2, 0, difference minus 1 into 4, 4, that is minus 4. Next, M22, deleting second row, second column, 4 numbers, 1, 4, 0, 0, 2. Second row, second column, 1, 4, 0, 2. The difference of the cross multiply, 1 into 2, 2, 0 into 4, 0, that is 2. Next, M23, deleting second row, third column, 1, 0, 0, 1. The difference of the cross multiply, 1 minus 0, that is 1. Second row over, take third row, M31, deleting third row, first column, 0, 4, 5, minus 1. The difference of the cross multiply, 0 into minus 1, 0, minus 5 4s are 20. That is minus 20. Okay. Next, M22. By deleting second row, second column, M32. Deleting third row, second column, 1, 4, 3 minus 1. 1, 4, 3 minus 1. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 1. First you take principal diagonal, 3 4s are 12, that is minus 13. M33, deleting third row, third column, delete ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 numbers, 1, 0, 3, 5. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals, 5 minus 3 into 0, 0, that is 5. So these are the minors. Okay. Then to find the cofactors, how many cofactors? 9 cofactors. Also, to find the cofactors, C11, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 is even number, positive sign, C11 is equal to M11, that is M11 value 11. C12, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, M12 value 6. C13, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, C13 is nothing but that is M13 value 3. Next, second row, C21, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 is odd number, minus sign, C21 is equal to M21 value minus 4, that is minus into minus plus 4. C22 plus, because 2 plus 2, 4, 4 is even number, positive sign, M22 value 2. Then C23 minus, because 2 plus 3, 5 odd number, minus sign, M23 value 1. Next, third row, C31, 3 plus 1, 4 is even number, C31 is equal to M31, but M31 value minus 20 plus into minus 20. C32, 3 plus 2, 5 is odd number, minus sign, M32 value minus 13, minus into minus plus 13, C33 plus M33, because 3 plus 3 6 is even number, that is positive sign, M33 value 5. So these are the cofactors. Cofactors iddaga alternative sign barutte, minor dalle sign barodilla. Okay, so these are the minors as well as cofactors. Okay, using cofactors of elements of second row, evaluate delta is equal to, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ, ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಬಿ ಎ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 5 3 8 2 0 1 1 2 3. Using the cofactors of second row, this is first row, this is second row. Second row ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಸೈನ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, this is minus plus minus. Okay, only second row expand it. So how to expand? Now second row minus 2 into, so minus 2 lies in which row, which column? Second row first column. Deleting second row first column, 4 numbers 3 8 2 3, correct? Next plus 0 into determinant, 0 lies in which row? Second row, which column? Second column. Deleting second row second column, 4 numbers 5 8 1 3. Next minus 1 into, again 1 lies in second row, which column? Third column. Deleting second row third column, 5 3 1 2, 5 3 1 2. Okay, expand it. Minus 2, you know how to expand 2 cross 2 determinant. The difference of the cross multiply, 3 3s are 9, minus 8 2s are 16. 0 into any number becomes 0, minus 1 into the difference of the cross multiply, 5 2s are 10, minus 1 3s are 3. That is equal to, that is delta is equal to 9 minus 16 minus 7, minus 7 into minus 2 plus 14, correct? 10 minus 3 7, 7 into minus 1 minus 7. So delta is equal to 7. So evaluate delta by using the cofactors of second row. Delta value is 7. Okay. Similarly, next third question, third problem enide nodi. Again using the cofactors of the elements of third column. Let delta given, again it is 3 cross 3 determinant, 1 x yz, second row 1 y zx, third row 1 z xy. Using the cofactors of third column, this is third column. In third column, what are the sign? Sign in barutte nodri, plus minus plus, minus plus minus, plus minus plus. Third column plus minus plus. Only expand third column, yz into, because yz lies in which row, which column? First row third column. Eliminate first row third column, 4 numbers 1y 1z, minus zx, deleting zx lies in which row? Second row, which column? Third column. Deleting second row third column, 4 numbers 1x 1z, correct? Next plus xy, xy lies in which row? Third row, which column? Third column. xy allide third row mattu third column allide, averadu eliminate madidra 4 elements 1x 1y, correct? Then expand it, yz into the difference of the cross multiply, 1 into zz minus y, minus zx into, deleting, that is 1 into zz minus x, plus xy into, principal diagonals first you take, y minus x. Okay, now expand ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, remove that bracket, yz into z, yz square, yz into y minus y square z, minus zx into z, xz square, minus into minus plus, zx into x, x square z, plus xy into y, xy square, plus into minus, minus x square y. ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So this is the cofactors of third column, evaluate delta. This is delta value. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವುದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ ಅದಷ್ಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾನ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲೇ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 4. Find minors and cofactors of the elements of the determinant and verify that A11C31, these are minor, this is cofactor, A11C31 plus A12C32, A13C33 is equal to 0. Now first to find minor and cofactors. Now here given data. Determinant, first row 2 minus 3 5, second row 6 0 4, third row 1 5 minus 7. Now to find the minor, how many elements? 9 elements. We got 9 minors as well as 9 cofactors. Now to find the minor, M11. 11 means what? By deleting first row first column. Shall I write directly? Now eliminate first row first column. 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 0 into minus 7 0, difference minus 5 4s are 20, that is minus 20. Okay, next M12, direct break kaliri, deleting first row second column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply. First you take the principal diagonals, 6 into minus 7 minus 42, minus 1 into 4 4, that is minus 42 minus 4 minus 46. M13, deleting first row third column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 6 5s are 30, minus 1 into 0 0, that is 30. First row over. Then take second row, M21, deleting second row first column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, minus 3 into minus 7 plus 21, difference minus 5 5s are 25, 21 minus 25, that is minus 4. M22, deleting second row second column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 2 into minus 7 minus 14, 1 into 5 minus 5, that is minus 19. Okay, next M23, deleting second row third column, 4 numbers, the difference of the cross multiply, 2 5s are 10, difference minus 1 into minus 3 minus 3, minus into minus plus 3, that is 13. Second row over. Then third row, M31, deleting third row first column ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 4 ನಂಬರ್ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. The difference of the cross multiply, minus 3 into 4 minus 12 minus 0, that is minus 12. Next M32, deleting third row second column, 4 numbers, 2 4s are 8, difference minus 6 5s are 30, 8 minus 30 minus 22. Then M33, deleting third row third column ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 4 numbers, 2 into 0 0, difference minus 6 into minus 3 minus 18, minus into minus plus 18. So these are the minors. Also to find the cofactors, also C11 ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೈನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 plus 1 2 is even number, positive sign. C11 is nothing but M11, that is M11 value, minus 20 plus into minus minus 20. C12, 1 plus 2 3 is odd number. Okay, 3 is odd number, minus sign. M12 value minus 46, minus into minus plus 46. C13, 1 plus 3 4 is even number, plus M13, that is 30. Next C21, 2 plus 1 3 odd number, minus sign. M21 value minus 4, minus into minus plus 4. C22 plus M22. M22 value minus 19, that is plus into minus, minus 19. Next, C23. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is odd number, minus sign, M23. M23 value 13. Next, third row, C31. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 is even number, positive sign, M31 value minus 12. Plus into minus, minus 12. C32. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 is odd number, minus sign, M32 minus 22. Minus into minus, plus 22. C33 plus M33 value 18. So these are the cofactors. Nodri, cofactors find out madbekar ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ observe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sign important. Cofactors positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, like that. Okay. Now first part is over, and second part, verify that A11C31. Now A11C31 plus A12C32 plus A13C33 is equal to 0. To prove that LHS equal to RHS 0. A11 means first row of the first element. A11 ಯಾವುದಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ A11 ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ A11 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, is it 2 or not? A11 value first element, this is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. A11 value, that is 2. C31 cofactor, C31 how much? That is minus 12. A12 ಏನಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ minus 3. C32 22. A13 first row of the third element 5. C33 18. Simplify. 2 into minus 12. 2 into minus 12. How much? Minus 24. Plus into minus minus 22 3s are 66. 18 5s are 90. Correct? ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? minus 24 minus 66 minus 90 plus 90 is equal to 0, that is RHS. Therefore, A11C31 plus A12C32 plus A13C33 is equal to 0. Observe it. Illa observe ಮಾಡಿ. Here A11C31. If all the elements of any row or any column, okay, with corresponding cofactors of other row or other column, its sum is equal to 0. Illa suffix nodi 11 ide, 31. Different suffix iddaga its value is 0. Different suffix iddaga enagutte? Its value is 0. Okay. Similarly, A11, then C21, A12, C22, A13, C23 again become 0. Whereas same suffix are given, same suffix iddaga ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Look here. Now here determinant, say delta is equal to, or A is the determinant. Now to find determinant of A, ಅದನ್ನು expand ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಅದರ determinant ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 of, expand that determinant, deleting first row first column, the difference of the cross multiply 0 minus 20 plus expand that determinant plus minus plus 2 into 0 minus 20 minus into minus plus 3 into deleting first row second column minus 42 minus 4 plus 5 into deleting first row third column 30 minus 0. ಇದನ್ನು expand ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ A matrix ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. Then determinant of A is equal to, that is equal to minus 40, minus 42 minus 4 minus 46 minus 46 3s are 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12 plus 3 13, that is minus 138. 30 into 5 plus 150. Simplify ಮಾಡಿ. That is minus 40 plus 150 10. 10 minus 138 minus 128. This is determinant of A. ಹೌದಾ? Observe it. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 1131, 1232, 1333. Different suffix are given, its determinant value is 0. If you take same suffix, say A11, C11, A12, C12 plus A13, C13, same suffix ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. What is A11 value? 2. C11 value? C11 is minus 20. A12 value? What is A12? Minus 3. Correct? C12 value? C12 is 46. A13 5. C13 value 30. Simplify. Minus 40 my plus into minus 46 3s are 138, correct, plus 150. So minus 40 plus 150, how much? 110, correct? So this is 110 ala. Minus 40 plus 150, 110. 138 minus 138 plus 110 less ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 28, correct ಅಲ್ಲ? Here minus 40 plus 150, 110 minus 138, minus 28. That is nothing but minus 28 is nothing but determinant of A. So we conclude that ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ its value is 0. If same suffix are given like 11 C11, A12 C12, A13 C13, similarly A21 C21 plus A22 C22 plus A23 C23, if same suffix are given, its value is determinant of given matrix, that is determinant of A. If different suffix are given, its value is 0. Remember, okay, if same suffix, its value is determinant of A. If different suffix are given, its value is determinant of its value become 0. Different suffix ittu andre 0 agutte. Same suffix ittu andre like A11 C11 plus A12 C12 plus A13 C13, its value is determinant of A. Okay, so this is minor, cofactor, then verification. Next problem number 5. Find the adjoint of a square matrix. A is the matrix 3 cross 3 matrix. 1 minus 1 2, 2 3 5, minus 2 0 1. To find the adjoint of a square matrix, you know the definition of adjoint of a square matrix. What is that? The transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many elements here? 9 elements. So that how many cofactors? 9 cofactors. To find all cofactors, now take one by one. C11, 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number plus 1 indicate by deleting first row first column 4 numbers 3 5 0 1. The difference of the cross multiply 3 into 1 3, difference minus 5 into 0 0, that is equal to how much? 3. Then C12 minus, because 1 plus 2 3 is odd number, by deleting first row second column 4 elements 2 5 minus 2 1, minus the difference of the cross multiply 2 1s are 2, difference minus 2 into 5 minus 10, minus into minus plus 10, that is minus 12. Then C13 plus, by deleting first row third column 4 numbers 2 3 minus 2 0, that is plus, delete, that is expand the difference of the cross multiply 2 into 0 0, difference minus 2 into 3 minus 6, minus into minus plus 6. Okay, first row over. Then take second row. C21 minus, because 2 plus 1 3 is odd number, minus sign, deleting second row first column 4 elements minus 1 2 0 1, minus 1 2 0 1, minus the difference of the cross multiply minus 1, difference minus 0 into 2 0, that is minus into minus plus 1. C22 plus, deleting second row second column, deleting second row second column 4 numbers 1 2 minus 2 1, correct? 1 2 minus 2 1, second row second column 1, 2, minus 2, 1. The difference of the cross multiply, first you take the principal diagonals, 1, difference minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus into minus, plus 4, that is 5. C23 minus, because 2 plus 3, 5 odd number, minus sign, deleting second row, third column, 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1 minus 2, 0, minus the difference of the cross multiply, 1 into 0, 0, minus another diagonal multiply, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, that plus into minus, minus 2. So, minus into minus, plus 2. Next, third row, C31 plus, because 3 plus 1, 4, even number, positive sign, deleting third row, first column, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, minus 1, 2, 3, 5, plus the difference of the cross multiply, minus 5, difference minus, 3 2s are 6, minus 5 minus 6, minus 11. C32 minus, deleting third row, second column, 1, 2, 2, 5, 1, 2, 2, 5, that is minus the difference of the cross multiply, 5 minus 2 2s are 4, how much? Minus 1. Then finally C33 plus, deleting third row, third column, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, 1 minus 1, 2, 3, that is plus the difference of the cross multiply, 3 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, that is 5. These are the cofactors. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the corresponding cofactors. How many cofactors? 9 cofactors. Now, first cofactor C113, C12 minus 12, C13 is 6, C21 1, C22 5, C23 2, third row C31 minus 11, C32 minus 1, C33 5, its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns, 3 minus 12 6, 1 5 2, minus 11 minus 1 5. This is adjoint of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Similarly, second one, 2 cross 2 matrix. A is the matrix 2 3 1 4. So 4 elements. Now to find 4 cofactors, first cofactor C11 plus, because 1 plus 1 2, 2 is even number, positive sign, deleting first row, first column, that is 4, C12 1 plus 2 3, 3 is odd number, minus, deleting first row, second column 1, C21 again 2 plus 1 3, 3 is odd number, minus, deleting second row, first column 3, then C22 deleting second row, second column, plus 2. Only 4 cofactors. Therefore, adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the corresponding cofactors C114, C12 minus 1, C21 minus 3, C222, its transpose. Definition of transpose, interchanging the rows and columns. First row 4 minus 1, write in first column. Second row minus 3 2, write in second column. This is 2 cross 2 matrix. First one is 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, students, to solve some more problems in next class. Okay, thank you.